What is SEO marketing? SEO explained for beginners. Ever wondered how some websites magically appear at the top of Google while others are lost on page 5? The magic is SEO, and today I'm breaking down what SEO marketing really is, how it works, and why it's the secret sauce behind online success. Whether you are a business owner, content creator, or just curious, this video is for you. Stick around till the end and I will give you 3 quick SEO tips you can start using today. Let's dive in. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's the process of optimizing your website so it ranks higher on search engines like Google. Think of Google as a giant library. Every time someone searches, Google scans billions of pages to find the most relevant ones. SEO helps your website become one of those top picks. It's all about making your site more understandable, valuable, and relevant, both to users and to search engines. In short, SEO helps you get free organic traffic instead of paying for ads. How SEO works? Before we dive into this chapter or into this section, let me introduce myself to you.
Is your website struggling to get noticed? You're not alone. Many businesses face the challenge of low traffic and visibility. That's where Talha Siddiq Seo comes in. We specialize in turning your online presence around with our strategic, data-driven SEO solutions. Imagine your website climbing the search rankings, attracting more visitors, and converting those clicks into loyal customers. With over 1,000 successful collaborations, we have the expertise in on-page, off-page, technical, and local SEO to optimize your site for peak performance. Our clients have seen remarkable improvements. Whether it's fixing indexing issues or enhancing user experience, we deliver real results. Ready to elevate your business? Let's craft your SEO strategy today. Visit Talhasiddiq.com or call for a free consultation. Your success story starts now.
SEO works through a combination of strategies. Here are the big 3. On-page SEO. This includes keywords, headings, meta description, and content quality. If you're writing a blog post about best coffee in New York, those words better be in your title, headings, and content. Off-page SEO. Mainly backlinks. When other websites link to you, Google sees that as a vote of trust. The more high-quality backlinks you have, the more authority you build. Technical SEO. It's the backend stuff, site speed, mobile friendliness, secure connections, and structured data. If your website takes 10 seconds to load, bye rankings. Google uses over 200 ranking factors, but if you nail the basics, you are already ahead of 90% of websites. Why SEO marketing is powerful? So why do marketers love SEO? Simple. It's cost effective. Once you rank, you get free traffic every day. High intent. People searching are already interested. Long-term results. A blog post or video that ranks well today can bring traffic for months, even years. Imagine publishing a video or a blog that brings 10,000 visits a month without spending $1 on ads. Tools and skills you require. If you are ready to dive into SEO, here are some tools you will love. Google Search Console for monitoring performance. Ahrefs, SEMrush, Ubersuggest, keyword research and backlink tracking. Yoast SEO for WordPress users, on-page optimization. ChatGPT AI tools for current generation ideas. ChatGPT or AI tools for content generation ideas. You don't need to be a tech genius. Learn the basics, use the right tools, and test what works. Quick SEO tips you can use today. Find low competition keywords, use tools like Ubersuggest or Answer the Public, target long tail keywords like best vegan coffee in Brooklyn, write for humans, optimize for search. Your content should be engaging, readable, and helpful. Don't just stuff keywords. Improve site speed. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insight. A faster site is equals to better rankings. On-cam. SEO marketing is a secret weapon. It's a skill anyone can learn. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with your SEO questions or struggles. I might turn them into my next video. Thanks for watching, and remember, if Google can't find you, neither can your audience. But if you trust Talhasiddiq.com, we are the best agency that rank your website in the top Google page results. Thank you, everyone.